I am David, and today I'll be showing you how to rig a rod to get ready to go fishing. So first, I'll show you all my tackle that I'll be using today. Today I'll be using a sinker, bobber, and a small trio J-hook. So first, take your line and push it through the sinker. Okay? Push, push, push. Okay, and there I got it. So next, you'll take your J-hook, then put the line through the loop. And now I'll show you how to tie a fisherman's knot. So, first, you put your finger on the line like so. Then you wrap the short line around the main line about 5 to 6 times. Then you take this little piece and put it through the hole your finger is sitting in. Push it through that hole. Then you grab both ends of the line and pull really tight. Okay. So now you take your cutting tool. It can be anything. It can be pliers, scissors. I would not recommend using a knife because that is a little bit dangerous. So I got my scissors. I'm gonna cut off the excess. Okay, so now the final step is to attach the bobber. So I like to attach the bobber by grabbing this and making it like this, like a very small knot, and wrapping around and making this kind of loop. Okay, so now I got my little loop. Now I take this. Not a lot of people have these ones. They're not really the most common thing you can find, but I take this, push down top, out comes the little hook, hook it onto the main line, and let go of the button, and it's nice and tight, and you're ready to go fishing. So conclusion, this is how to rig a fishing rod to get ready to go fishing. Now, I will send it over to Vincent for him to show how to cast.
Thank you, David. Once you're done rigging up the rod, you obviously need to know how to cast the rod. You also need to get a firm grip or else the rod will go straight into the water. I like to do 3 fingers in the back and 1 finger in the front. Now, make sure that the 2 corners of the bail are straight up and down to the ground. Hold the line like a trigger, pull the bail back, turn your rod 90 degrees to the ground, swing it. Once the bait touches the water, fling the bail back. Obviously, once the bait hits the water, it will go into the water, but right now it's the middle of winter and it's freezing cold outside. Okay, now I'll show you how to do it in one fluid motion. Open up the bail, hold the line like a trigger, fling it back, and bite. Now, on behalf of David and I, we hope this video was very informative. Have a good day fishing.